So how do you take a country ham biscuit and make it party worthy? Well, you just add a little bit of sorghum butter on top of that slice of country ham, and I'm telling you, these things will disappear. If making biscuits makes you nervous, our biscuit mix will calm those nerves. I'm going to make some mini biscuits that we're going to serve with country ham and sorghum butter. So I've got 3 3/4 cups of our biscuit mix here, and then 1 1/4 cups of buttermilk. That's all it takes. I mean, that's it. 2 ingredients. Couldn't be easier. Now I'm just going to give this a good mix. I want to make sure I moisten all of that flour. It's going to be a very soft dough when you've got it all mixed together. Okay, see, it makes a very soft dough, and you know you've got it all mixed when there's no dry bits left in the bottom of the bowl. So now I want to dust my board, and I'm just going to use plain flour for this. Dust it really well, and I'm going to turn this out onto the board. A little more flour so I can work this. Don't want it sticking to my hands. And I'm just going to roll this out very gently. If it gets sticky, just add a little more flour to the top. And I want to fold this just a little bit, so I'm going to take my bench scraper. I'm just going to fold in 1/3 and 1/3. Pick up any loose bits. I'm going to turn my dough, make sure I've got plenty of flour under there. I'm going to roll it out again. And you want to roll it to just about 1 inch thick. So that ought to do it right there. And for these, I'm going to use our small biscuit cutter. This is just about a 2-inch biscuit cutter. And when I go down, and you can roll it out, you just don't want to turn it and spin it. And then place that on your baking sheet. So I'm just going to cut all these out until I've got all of these done, and these are going to go in the oven. And then any little bits you've got left, I like to tuck these into the corners. These are the baker's biscuits. So if you've got any little corners left, just tuck them in there, and this is something you can sample when the biscuits come out of the oven. Okay, so you can see I've got a full pan, and I've got 10, 20, 30 biscuits all together out of that one batch. And again, these are mini biscuits, and these would be perfect for any party, as an appetizer, as an hors d'oeuvre, even as just a little side. So these are going in the oven at 450 for about 10 to 12 minutes. Got just a couple of minutes left on the biscuits, and while those are still in the oven, I'm going to make some sorghum butter. I've got our Muddy Pond sorghum and about 1/2 stick of butter here. And the butter is softened. I just want about a teaspoon of sorghum to that. If you were doing a full stick, you could do 2 teaspoons to a tablespoon. And then just depending on how sweet you like it. Remember, sorghum is a little bit sweeter than molasses, so it's going to work well with this butter in here. And this is salted butter, so you're going to get a little bit of that salty, sweet mixture together. And so I'm just going to keep working this until I've gotten it all worked in. And there we go. We've got it all mixed in. You see little streaks of butter still in there, but you've got that sorghum all mixed in. All right, our biscuits are done. Let's get these out of the oven. Look how beautiful and golden those are. That is perfect. And I've got the sorghum butter done, and the country ham is done as well. Look how pretty that is. This is going to be so good. All right, so I'm going to get me a biscuit here. Let me get one out of the center. Ooh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? Give me just a little piece of country ham here. Put that right on. And a little bit of that sorghum butter. Now, of course, you'll prepare these all at one time. Let them cool a little bit, but I can't wait. This smells so good. And these are going to make a great hors d'oeuvre for any party. Little appetizer. Great for game day. Bring these out. People are going to love them. Okay, that is so good. That salty and that sweet together, perfect combination. And again, if biscuits make you nervous from scratch, our biscuit mix makes it so easy. You're going to love this.